Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. Today is Thanksgiving Day of 2023 here in the United States, and I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you all and let you know how much Gordon and I appreciate you. When we count our blessings, we really do count all of you twice. We've got those of you that have been with us since our very first video and our very first live and have stuck with us as we've tried to figure all this out, to those of you who are brand new, and everyone in between. We are really grateful for every moment that you spend watching our videos. Those of you that are kind enough to let me book your cruise for you and help you with your travel and leave your comments, just everything that you do, that you leave your comments over on our Facebook group. You all really make the world a better place, and especially our Let's Go family. So thank you very much for bringing wonderful, all of you, to be here with us. I want to tell you, I often get asked why I started this. And I really just felt very drawn to do it. I didn't have a very specific reason other than I just felt like I wanted to do this. And since we have started, I know that I don't know everything yet, but I really feel like we needed all of you in our life, and I hope that all of you needed a little bit of our Let's Go family in your life, and that our Let's Go family can continue to grow and include more people that love to travel, that love to talk about travel, and really enjoy being together and having that feeling of family and community here. So thank you again for everything that you bring. Know that you are in Gordon and I's prayers, and that we are so very grateful. We thank God for you every day, and we look forward to a very bright future together. So I will be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.